Paul Plant Horticulture here. I featured the yellow Bulbine frutescens in the past, but here is the gold. And as you can see, they are beautiful, tough plants, clumping plants with these spires of flowers that stick up. The pollinators love it. Bees, insects. It's a great plant to use in the garden. Incredibly tough, resilient, and low maintenance. Now I'm going to show you a close-up of the flowers. That's the orange, and as a comparison, this is the yellow with it as a comparison. It's a beautiful plant, and that's it as a clump. The orange. I'll see if I can get close to another bunch of the flowers. This is definitely one of my favorite plants in the garden, the Bulbine frutescens. The orange is beautiful, as is the yellow, but the orange just gives another little dark contrast interest to the overall garden pattern. And again, this is the yellow, the bright yellow version. Absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking for a tough plant, a resilient plant, one that's low maintenance, check out the Bulbine frutescens, and hopefully the garden centre near you will have it. Otherwise, you may need to go to a gardening event and source this plant from a plant collector. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Paul Plant Horticulture, and thank you for watching.